Greetings, welcome back to Pink Odd Bird. Today I'm here to do a little opening of this Your Creative Studio monthly subscription box for the month of May, and I'm going to open this here with you. This is my first time getting one of these, so I would like to thank Amanda for asking me if I would like one of these boxes, and I'm here to share it with you guys. And not only that, I would like to make something with this box along with you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. This is a monthly subscription box, and like I said, it is from Your Creative Studio. They have a website. I will link to it down in the description box below. If I'm not mistaken, I think all of the May subscription boxes are already sold out. However, you can probably still pop over and check out the boxes for June. And I do believe that these are going to ship to you from within the US. So note to self. So this is how it looks when you open it, and there's a little card here, Your Creative Studio. This is a note from Amanda basically saying how they're combating against COVID-19 as far as shipping items out goes. I will say, from the day that she contacted me about this, which was maybe like a week ago, it didn't take very long for me to get this in the mail. This tissue paper feels amazing. It feels like a blanket. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I don't really know very much about what comes in these, so this is really kind of exciting for me too. So the first thing I see are these stickers, and these are beautiful. They're very spring-like. This is masking tape, so that's kind of cool. So you get a whole little brand new box. It's decorative, so kind of like washi masking tape, I would assume. And this is pretty. It gives your elements a really vintage look, I think, because of the brown and the two-tone. I guess I could have just shown you that here. I didn't have to open it. That's pretty neat. You can see a little sample of what, I guess the whole box is kind of what the tape looks like. Ah, that is clever. So here, this backyard garden. I'm gonna open this and see what it is. So this is like a little matchbox, I think. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Oh my, there's a ton of little stationery bits. Spring flowers like a parabola, and it has like, oh, they're like little stationery. So there's those. Let me scoot this back a little. So there's those there, and then we have Dream Flower, which is beautiful. So here we have this little bit. These would make really pretty elements in your collages, I think. So then there's this little scalloped one. Beautiful flowers in this beautiful night view of beautiful music played. That's pretty. There's several of these. So here, this one has a little bit of script on it as well. So these, Love Your Dreams, that's cute. This goes here. I think I might have combined. Yes, I did. So these are the Love Your Dreams. And then there's these little tag-shaped ones, which are really cute. Several of those. Those are pretty. So all of these came inside of this little matchbox. All right, so let's slide this back over. So up next, another little bit of stationery, I want to say. Oh, they're like tickets. Ah. Oh, it is. It's okay, so it's like paper, but they have they're perforated here. So you get two elements. So it is kind of like a little ticket booklet. So that's really pretty. So next, there's a little box and it says a long pattern, I believe. A wooden seal. Ooh, I wonder what this looks like. Ugh. So it's a stamp. So again, I believe this is something that would go really nicely in collages because you can add a focal word, or you can also do like tags with these, and you can also do outgoing mail with these. So I'm excited to use that. Up next, this box says Iris wooden seal, so this may be another stamp. Yes. Oh, that is so pretty. It's very dainty. I think it goes this way. So this is how it looks. I think this is really awesome. You get some really unique stamps. Like if you have this as a permanent subscription box, I'm not sure what comes in each one, but I think it's really exciting that you can get some unique little elements just like that. So next is dried flowers. These are so pretty. You can see how they look here. So some more little stationery here. I believe these are sticky notes. Yes, sticky notes, vintage travel sticky notes. Here we have, I think these might be like vellum or rice paper envelopes maybe. Or, oh, I love the way that feels. Let's see. Oh, they're little pieces of vellum. I don't want to take them all out because I'll never get them back. And I think, yeah, they're all different because you can see the pattern here on the back. And then on the front, it's like this. So I think they're all different. But let's take a look at one here. Yes, these are pretty. They're little vellum pieces. So next, I'm running out of space. So next we have a paper sticker bag. So these are like the little transparent vellum stickers, and you can see there are tons in here. And I think those are really pretty. Oh, here on the back you can get a better view of what the designs are. So I love those. Really excited to make a couple things here with these and see what we come up with. So these are more sticky notes. These are really cute. I love this. Oh, and the Volkswagen bus. So next, this is a notepad. So you get the flower memory notepad. So a lot more writing space. And at the very bottom here, there are a few sheets of this beautiful, it's like pressed flower mulberry paper. And if you can see, there are little bits of leaf in these papers. And I think these are really pretty mulberry papers. So this is the complete box here. And I'm so thankful for this, Amanda. Thank you so much. Definitely check her out in the description box below. And she's also on Instagram by the same name, Your Creative Studio. I'll link all of her information down below in the description box. But I am very excited to get started working on something with these elements. So why don't we hang out for a little bit and see what I come up with. So I'm just going to pop this stuff back in here temporarily so that I can free up some space. And let's see what we make. I have been super loving envelopes lately and particularly collaging on them, so I thought that I would keep that recurring theme and just make a couple of collaged envelopes here using some of the elements from your creative studio to accomplish this. I'm going to start out with these really pretty wildflower note cards, and I didn't open this previously, but I was really excited to find that they are actually perforated, so you actually get two different kinds of note papers here in the booklet. So I thought that was really fun, and I just want to pick one of these really pretty floral papers to use as a backdrop in my collage. I really can't get enough of this masking tape. It really adds the most perfect vintage element. It looks kind of like a coffee spill or a natural, like aged look around your paper, and I think it's so cool. Love the masking tape. Oh, hey, guess what? It was Gardener Day again, and it just, maybe it's because I'm, home a lot more now. It just feels like they're always gardening, and I know they're just doing their job, but good grief, Charlie Brown. Anyway, I love these little stamps. I think they're so fun, and I decided to stamp that out, and I thought that using my little tiny word stamps would be a nice little touch inside of there. However, even if you wanted to write something or put a die cut image inside of there, I think either one would look really cute. These little vellum sheets are so pretty. I didn't even realize that I actually pulled two of them out and they're so thin, but I can see these being useful in so many different ways. Like even if you wanted to fussy cut around the vellum, I think that would be pretty. I think if you wanted to write on top of these, that would also look really pretty, just using a regular like ballpoint pen or maybe even a metallic pen. I think that would look really pretty. So I decided to go with the travelers kind of elements for this one and make it kind of a let's go somewhere kind of envelope, and so I'm going with the sticky notes that are travel themed for this envelope. So we're on to the last envelope here, and I kept this one just as simple as the previous two. You can see how really fun and easy these are to make. They're so quick, and I really love just making a simple little collage on an envelope, maybe even a tag. And these elements that come in this subscription box are so perfect for this because you could make like a set of envelopes maybe, or a set of tags, or maybe like a stationery kind of set that's embellished with these little components in this subscription box. I think that's all really good ideas, but these are all so fun, so quick and easy to make, and I would definitely recommend this as a subscription box. I even went on to check and see what the June box looks like, and it looks just as pretty as this box does. So of course, finishing up on the last envelope with some more of that masking tape, I think it gave perfectly just the right element that this one needed, balanced it out completely. And so I hope that you have enjoyed watching what I do with these little elements to make these really pretty, simple collaged envelopes. All right, so that is the full box, and I'm super appreciative. Definitely check out Amanda. I will link all of the pertinent details for her down in the description box below. And that is going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.